Hi everyone, welcome to Cock Channel. Today, let's make this adorable little parrot. Wrap a blue pipe cleaner around a pen. Make 5 blue coils and 1 white coil. Thread a blue pipe cleaner through the center. Arrange them in this order: 3 blue coils and 1 white coil. Thread the other end through the white coil, then pull it tight. Fold it downward, pull it tight, then twist it twice to secure. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Thread another blue pipe cleaner through the center of the remaining 2 coils. Pull it tight, then twist to secure. Thread it through the center of the piece you made earlier, then twist to secure. Trim off the excess. Tuck the ends inside. Next, roll 2 blue pipe cleaners into flat circles. To make the wings, glue 1 wing onto each side. Shape a white pipe cleaner into a figure 8. Trim off the excess, then glue it in place. Attach the 6mm plastic eyes. Fold an orange pipe cleaner in half, trim the ends to a point, and shape it into a beak. Fold it gently twice, then trim it with scissors. Glue it on as the beak. Fold another blue pipe cleaner 3 times like this. Twist the base. Trim the tips into points to make the crest. Apply glue and attach it. Fold another blue pipe cleaner twice, then twist to secure it to make the tail feathers. Glue it in place. Fold a brown pipe cleaner 3 times to make the feet. Trim the tips into points. Trim off the excess, then gently curve the claws. Glue them in place, and your little parrot is finished. Add a little blush to the cheeks. Isn't it adorable? Attach a keychain strap to finish it off. Save this video and give it a try. See you in the next video.